How to fix Windows 11 laptop overheating problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix the laptop overheating problem in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up control panel, click on the search icon, and in the search bar search for control panel. On the control panel, navigate to the view by section, click on this drop down, and here select the large icons. Now from this list of items, you have to navigate towards the power options and then click on it. On the power options, click on change plan settings. Here again, navigate towards change advanced power settings. Then you will have this advanced settings pop-up box in your interface. Here you have to head towards the processor power management and then expand this option. Now head towards the maximum processor states, and under this you have to specify the maximum performance state of your processor in percentage. So from here you have to make the value less than 100%. Click on it and then reduce the value less than 100%. You can make it 90 here. Similar with that, navigate to the second menu under plugged in. Again, you have to put in the value less than 100% here. Once you're done with that, under battery, if you see the cooling process here, you have to click on this battery cooling process and there change it to active from passive if the option is available. Once you're done with that, click on apply, then click on OK. So in this way you can reduce the overheating problem on your laptop in Windows 11. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.